Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy keto egg salad recipe. There's only 4 ingredients in this low carb, high fat, creamy egg salad that makes a lovely snack, lunch, or really just any time of the day. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through for the full recipe step-by-step instructions, as well as loads of ideas for recipe variations for more low-carb, keto-friendly ingredients beyond the 4 that are in this recipe. So be sure to click through for that. And also be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this keto egg salad a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. So I usually boil up a pot of eggs to make hard-boiled eggs over the weekend and keep a bowl full in the fridge to either just enjoy as a hard-boiled egg, make deviled eggs, or keto egg salad as I'm making today. I'm only going to be using 4 of the eggs and then just saving the others for snacks. So I'm just going to get on and peel all my eggs. As I peel each egg, I'm just slicing it with my egg slicer and then just popping it into a bowl where I'll add the creamy ingredient next. And the last egg is now sliced or added into the bowl, and now we'll add in our lovely creamy ingredients. Now to make a lovely creamy egg salad, you've got a couple of ingredient options to choose from that are low carb, keto friendly, so it depends on your macros, depends what you have available and what taste you're after in your egg salad. So you can choose between Greek style natural yogurt. So plain natural Greek yogurt tends to be lowest carbs, lowest sugar. That is one option. Another option is mayo. I've got this roasted garlic mayo. I'm not particularly after a garlic flavor today, but it's the mayo that I've been using lately. I just have a little bit of it every now and then, and it's kind of what I have in my diet. But any mayo that you just are happy including in your diet, you could use instead. But my choice for today is actually going to be sour cream. It's smooth, it's tangy, and it's low carb, low sugar, and it kind of gives me the best of everything, and that is what I want to use. It is up to you if you want to just use 1, use 2, use 3 creamy ingredients. It is completely up to you what you want, your macros, the flavor that you're after. But I'm going to add in sour cream. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup. I'd suggest 1/4 to 1/3 cup. Start with 1/4 cup, and then you can just add a tablespoon at a time until it is perfect and creamy to your liking. Before adding on my creamy ingredients, I'm just going to add a bit of seasoning. So I'm just going to pop a bit of salt on. You can add salt, pepper, any seasoning herbs you like to taste. I'm going for a little bit of lemon zest just for a pop of flavor. Not too much, that will do. And then I'm also going to add just a teaspoon of lemon juice, again just for the pop of soury kind of flavor that it brings. And there's loads of other low carb, keto friendly ingredients you can choose from to include in your egg salad. You can include mustard, paprika, chives, loads of options, but I'm kind of just going to go salt, lemon, and my sour cream, which I'm adding now. I've got my 1/4 cup there, and then just kind of stir it together, chopping the egg more as you go. I feel like that's definitely creamy enough, but yeah, you could add more. You could add some avo as well to it too, some avocado mixed through would also be lovely. That is kind of perfect. Depends how chopped you want it, but I quite like it like that. Perfect keto egg salad recipe. Just look at that. I love it. It's kind of perfect to enjoy either in some lettuce cups or lettuce wraps. You could top some celery. You can use it as a cucumber topping, or you can just kind of enjoy it as a dip or by the spoonful. It just makes such a lovely low carb, high fat, keto friendly salad. And yeah, that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this lovely egg salad a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.